DeMartino, aka Joey D, aka America's Greatest Sports Fan, aka Godfather Sports. On Monday, March 30th, 2026, I stayed at the Homewood Suites in Frederick, Maryland while on a work trip. The hotel is located at 4950 Westview Drive, Frederick, Maryland 21703. It's at the intersection of Westview Drive and Executive Way. The location is about a mile off of Interstate 270, and nearby restaurants include Dunkin' Donuts, Domino's Pizza, Texas Roadhouse, Krispy Kreme, Chili's, and Mission Barbecue. The parking lot of the hotel appeared well lit and safe when I pulled in. I went straight to my room as I used my electronic key on my Hilton app. The room was clean and comfortable. Fitness area was good, business center was good, and the breakfast was good in the morning. So I would highly recommend this hotel if you're in the Frederick, Maryland area. So thank you, sports fans. Have a blessed day. Please keep our first responders and military in your thoughts and prayers.